Happy Planner Wednesday. This spread is going to be from the 17th of September through the 23rd. And I'm not going to be doing a classic movie spread this week. I'll go back to that next Wednesday. But this week I saw these Dollar Tree stickers that I had in my collection, and I love them. And since Saturday is the first day of fall, yay, I thought I would do this and kind of say, even though it's so hot here that it's not even funny, kind of like a goodbye to summer with this. It looks so pretty and soft. And then I'm going to use this washi. I'm pretty sure I got this maybe at Michael's in a roll. I'm not sure. I've had it a while. And then I'm just going to be using this paper, and I think it all works together nicely with just this pink Paper Mate pen. So now I'm going to take my pages out of my planner and we'll start making this. Okay, I'm pretty sure that I want this polka dotted paper to be my dominant one, so I'm going to cut it first. But you can really do a planner very inexpensively with Dollar Tree stickers. But I wanted something very happy, very upbeat, sort of serene and peaceful. So that's why I chose those stickers and this paper. Okay, let's put our paper how we want it. I think this is going to be very bright and cheerful. Yes, I love it. Okay, let's start putting our paper down. And this paper's double-sided, which I really like. That's definitely what I was going for. Oh, I love it. I think that's really pretty. Okay, let's put our washi down. I think this is just going to give us the sweetest look. Just very sweet. and serene. Oh, that is so pretty. I really like that. I think I'm going to put some down this side. To make it a little more. And I think I'm even going to put an extra part right here. Like that. Oh, I love that. That's so pretty. Okay, let's start putting our stickers down. Like I said, these are from Dollar Tree. And I really do love Dollar Tree stickers. They're just so pretty. Okay. And these are dimensional, but that doesn't bother me. I think I'm gonna just put it kind of like this. I just love that. That's so pretty. And this little guy, he goes, I think about right here. It's adorable. Okay. And then I think I'll put this one right here. I think I'll put him about right here to kind of balance everything out. That is just precious. Oh, I love it. And if you don't want to use all the stickers, you don't have to. And I might put this one right here. I think that would be pretty. And then we'll look at this birdhouse and see where we might want to put it. I think I'll just kind of hang it right here. Oh, this is so sweet. And we'll put this one maybe like this. And this one, I think I'll put right here. And we'll put this one right here and put this little butterfly with it. I just think this is the sweetest little spread. And I may put this one, I kind of like it right here, right there. And I might put this little butterfly right here, like he's going after the flower. And I might add that flower right there. And I think that's all I'm gonna do because I love how sweet that is. So I'm just gonna write a very few things. Okay, now we'll put this back in my planner and see how it turned out, but I think it is adorable. But you really do not have to spend a lot of money to come up with a beautiful spread. My book is getting so full. Okay, here's the spread and I absolutely love it. I love it, just looks so just sweet and delicate and happy. I love these Dollar Tree stickers. I love this paper and the washi. I'm really pleased with how it turned out. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.